Ladies and gentlemen, we live in historic moments. We still can't believe it. We are in De Leon Springs State Park. Today is Saturday, August 22nd, 2026. First time that we've been here. Very nice so far. This is an old mill. Old mill. We're exploring the sites before Fred and I go kayaking. Very nice so far. It's like a whole swimming pool. Ladies and gentlemen, we live in historic moments. We still can't believe it. We are at De Leon Springs State Park. Fred and I and Gina are about to launch into the water. We were just told, we've never been here before, we were just told that there are no clear waters in De Leon Springs. They're all dark waters. There are alligators, maybe manatees, but no light waters, no clear waters. So that means that Gina's probably gonna stay dry today. So we will we'll check it out and see what we can record. Hopefully some alligators. Definitely not getting too close, but we will keep you informed. All right, guys, getting in the water. Fred and I getting in the water like always. I think, yeah, that'd be great. Thank you. Thank you. Appreciate it. Thank you. All right, so we are floating. We are floating. We are in the water. Very nice. I already saw one alligator. So I was told that there were a lot of alligators around in these springs. And they weren't lying. They were not lying. I've seen a few. Oh my God. This one. That one is following me. Well, this is pretty much it as far as De Leon Springs. It's pretty open. It's been pretty open since I got here, since I got in the water, and I heard that it stays pretty open. So it's pretty much the same. Most of the alligators are back there near the people. So I'm gonna go back there. It's already like almost 11 o'clock and it's getting hot. So I am going to start paddling back to the beginning and see if I can see more alligators, and also to see if I can't wait to see what Gina saw. So I did put her in the water. I did not keep her dry, right, Gina?
Yeah, man. That's abuse. That's abuse. Just because I'm a female, you can't abuse me.
Yeah, man, don't abuse my girlfriend. Don't abuse Gina. This water's dirty. It's full of alligators. Somebody's gonna eat her up.
Yeah, right. So as you can see, it's more, well, this area anyway, it's more of a lake, more like, more lake-like. Came from over there. I went up few meters and then turned around because there's not really much more. I mean, not that I can see. It's getting late because it's getting hot. So just wanted to show you I am in the middle of a big old lake.